Wednesday, and that means the grocery ads are out for the week.
Yeah, plus we got a warning for car owners. The list of the top stolen cars for 2017 has been released. Here's our consumer expert, Amy Davis. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, the National Crime Insurance Bureau just released its annual list of the most stolen vehicles for 2017. And the Honda Civic was at the top of the list with over 45,000 stolen. Honda Accord was the second most stolen vehicle, followed by the full-size Ford and Chevy pickups and the Toyota Camry. The 2017 Nissan Altima was the most stolen new car with more than 1,100 taken. Experts say always lock your car, take the key, obviously, to prevent thefts. I'm wondering if those are just because those are the most vehicles on the roadways.
It may be, right?
Yeah, I don't know. Hey, Visa and MasterCard, along with some top U.S. banks, have agreed to pay as much as $6.2 billion in a class action settlement with retailers over swipe fees. So the settlement ends a 13-year-old suit brought by the nation's leading merchants. It claims that Visa and MasterCard violated antitrust laws by fixing prices to benefit the banks. A judge still has to approve this settlement before it will be paid out to retailers. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. That means it's time to check the deals at Houston area grocery stores. Kroger has Sweet Tango and Honeycrisp apples on sale for $1.47 a pound this week. That's $1 lower a pound than the regular price. And they've got a great deal on quilted Northern and Brawny paper towels. So your staples, paper towels, and toilet paper. You'll pay $4.99 for each package of 6 rolls, but they're like the mega rolls. That's when you buy 2. And then over at H-E-B, they've got H-E-B Bake Shop split top honey wheat bread, 2 for $2. Did you know if you've got the room in your freezer, you could freeze that extra loaf for half the price? I never have room in my freezer.
Be careful thawing it out.
Fine. It's fine, yeah. And red seedless grapes are 87 cents a pound.